Allah's apostle said, while I was at Makkah, the roof of my house opened and Jibril descended, opened my chest and washed it with Zamzam water. Then he brought a golden tray full of wisdom and faith, and having poured its content into my chest, he closed it. Then he took my hand and ascended with me to the nearest heaven. When I reached the nearest, Jibril said to the gatekeeper of the heaven, open the gate. The gatekeeper asked, who is it? Jibril answered, Jibril. He asked, is there anyone with you? Jibril replied, yes, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is with me. He asked, has he been called? Jibril said, yes. So the gate was opened and we went over nearest heaven, and there we saw a man sitting with some people on his right and some on his left. When he looked towards his right, he laughed, and when he looked towards his left, he cried. Then he said, welcome, O pious Prophet and pious son. I asked Jibril, who is he? He replied, he is Adam alayhis salam, and the people on his right and left are souls of his offspring. Those on his right are people of paradise, and those on his left are people of hell. And when he looks towards his right, he laughs, and when he looks towards his left, he weeps. Then he ascended with me till he reached the second heaven. And Jibril said to its gatekeeper, open the gate. The gatekeeper said to him the same as the gatekeeper of the first heaven had said, and he opened the gate. Anas said, Abu Zar added that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam meet Adam alayhis salam, Idris alayhis salam, Musa alayhis salam, Isa alayhis salam, and Ibrahim alayhis salam. Abu Zar did not mention on which heaven they were, but he mentioned that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam meet Adam alayhis salam on nearest heaven and Ibrahim alayhis salam on sixth heaven. Anas said, when Jibril along with the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Idris alayhis salam, he said, welcome, O pious Prophet and pious brother. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, who is he? Jibril replied, he is Idris alayhis salam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam added, I passed by Musa alayhis salam and he said, welcome, O pious Prophet and pious brother. I asked Jibril, who is he? Jibril replied, he is Musa alayhis salam. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Isa alayhis salam and he said, welcome, O pious brother and pious prophet. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, who is he? Jibril replied, he is Isa alayhis salam. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Ibrahim alayhis salam and he said, welcome, O pious prophet and pious son. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Jibril, who is he? Jibril replied, he is Ibrahim alayhis salam. The Prophet added, then Jibril ascended with me to a place where I heard the creaking of pens. Ibn Hazm and Anas bin Malik said, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then Allah enjoined 50 prayers on my followers. When I returned with this order of Allah, I passed by Musa alayhis salam, who asked me, what has Allah enjoined on your followers? Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, he has enjoined 50 prayers on them. Musa alayhis salam said, go back to your Lord and appeal for reduction, for your followers will not be able to bear it. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam went back to Allah and requested for reduction, and Allah reduced it to half. When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Musa alayhis salam again and informed him about it, again Musa alayhis salam said, go back to your Lord, as your followers will not be able to bear it. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Allah and requested for further reduction, and half of it was reduced. Again Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Musa alayhis salam, and Musa alayhis salam said, return to your Lord, for your followers will not be able to bear it. So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Allah and requested for further reduction, and half of it was reduced. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam again passed by Musa alayhis salam, And Musa alayhi salam said to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, "Return to your Lord, for your followers will not be able to bear it." So Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Allah and he said, "These are five prayers and they are all equal to 50 in reward. For my words does not change." Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned to Musa alayhi salam and Musa alayhi salam told him to go back once again. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, "Now I feel shy of asking my Lord again." Then Jibril took Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam till they reached Sidratil Muntaha, which was shrouded in colors indescribable. Then Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was admitted into paradise, where he found small walls of pearls and its earth was of musk.